2, 3 into the 4. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the
It's like this and like that and like this and It's like that and like this and like that and It's like this and like that and like this and
Dre creep to the mic like a
Hello guys, so it begins OK Camp Out Season 3, Feb 7 to 9 at Crystal Beach, Zambales. We see here si Boss Joel rolling in with his Tundra. This is about 7 a.m. in the morning. And ngayon dumating na si Team Darwin. So in the beige or khaki Jimny, this is Dodong Lagaan from Davao, all the way from Davao. And then we see here Mr. Darwin himself wearing the black polo shirt. And then arriving is Sir Alex Guerrejo, our good friend, alongside with Peng Vlogs and Dog Vlogs, Alvir Guerrejo and AJ Guerrejo.
Welcome to OK Camp Out!
Morning!
Morning po!
So it begins, day 1, OK Camp Out Season 3. Dami na nating.
Boss, niluluto mo boss. Ano ulam nyo?
Sir Raymond, sabi ni Sir Raul, lahat daw ng friends nyo, binibigyan nyo ng ganito. Bagay naman! Grabe. Ang pinakamasarap pong magtimpla ng kape.
Oo.
Yes.
Dito, meron mamaya.
Wait. Huwag ibigay yung camp card nyo, pre.
Oo.
Yari tayo doon.
Yung ano lang, hatiin lang natin.
I welcome you because this is year 3 of OK Camp Out. And sinong nakatatlong OK Camp Out na? Meron ba? Meron ba nakatatlo na? Sinong first time na lang? Sinong first time? First time? I love it. So 90, based on my law, 80-90% first time.
Hi there! Hi! You're big na.
Trial muna ah. Okay. Sabihin ko pagka serious game na.
Hooray!
Hooray! Okay.
Hooray!
Ano yun? Walang ganon, brother.
So this one, oil lang. Then natin show me. Light soy sauce. Shaoxing wine. Okay. Sa tingin nyo ba, ano ang, para medyo makapag ano naman tayo, ano ang top dish?
Nakaka-proud. Okay, so yun lang po. Hindi ko na po papatagalin to. I want you to eat. I want you to try our food. That's, you know, how, kung may katanong ko kayo, if you wanna, ito ay onion jam. Try nyo na. Ano naman yan?
Hi guys, looks like someone's having fun. Okay, Camp Out, Season 3, Day 1. The one and only Chef Baguio Mountain 1 with Ninong Rai and Sarsa. Yes!
Kaya dyan lang kayo, dito lang kami.
Let's go. Yeah. Ah, the red one.
And hi there. It's 2 and 1. Welcome once again to Baikang Water.
Ano pala dito sa likod? Grabe. Sinalong ano.
The dealer will never allow you to do this. Alright, adjust. Your seat's good.
Saan po yung
Power.
Power.
Power. Pare, power. Forward.
Sa gilid.
Merong square na gano'n. Yeah. Yung isa pa. Yeah. Nadali mo, pre.
Nagmamanual ako dito.
Napansin ko. Sanay ka sa mga old school natin, pre.
Sino pa?
Okay, put it on neutral. Neutral ba?
Oo.
Pababa lang. Put it down. Yeah. You can see it here.
Okay. Sinong kasama ko?
Press the brake pedal.
Ako lang.
Yes.
Oh, sige.
Alright, there you go. That's manual.
Kasamahan mo ako sa isang...
Okay.
Ay, pupunta lang ako dyan.
Put it on drive. We're on auto.
Bababa lang ako ha.
I-off ko muna yung diff lock. Go.
First time.
Yep.
Alright, Nash.
Go. Go, Nash. Relax lang. Hinga.
No pressure.
No pressure. Okay. That's good. Perfect. We're gonna head down there. Alright, pinuhin mo yung left cone. Para ma-feel mo. Oh. Okay. Steering wheel to the right a bit. Okay, let's head down there. Pababa sa tubig. Wala. Ano nangyari?
I think bumaan ako.
Hindi ka buman. Sige pa. So bumitaw ka lang. Tapakan mo lang ng konti. Huwag ka lang bibitaw. Right.
Ay, swabe.
Alam mo ba natawagin? Okay ka.
Yung tinanong, ano nangyari? Ano? Wala pa eh. Left, full left. Okay, U-turn tayo and then head up the hill. Alright, go for it.
Floor ko po.
Go for it! Go for it! Diretso. Oh!
Nakabala.
So, kanina bumitaw ka sa momentum, di ba?
Apo.
Pag di ka bumitaw, akit na yan.
Oh, okay po.
So nga, pag nangyari yan, anong gagawin mo usually? So,
Um,
what do you think?
Yung sa 4x2 pa, tatry ko umatras.
Actually, kahit 4x4 naman, natas tayo. Wala namang kinalaman yun eh. Huwag mo lang pilitin. Kasi pag ito, binaon mo, once your chassis hits the sand, di nagagalaw yung kotse. That's when we're stuck.
Okay.
Pag yung gumaganon ng konti, walang problem yan. Okay, so go for it. Atras tayo. Straight down. Back down the hill.
Yung pala sila lagi. Reverse.
Right hand down.
Tapos momentum.
Ayan, para dumiretso na yung kotse. Sige. Sige, some more. Some more. Huwag lang bibitaw. Huwag lang bibitaw. Sige pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Malayo pa tayo. Sige pa. Sige lang. Sige lang. Sige lang. Some more. Some more. And stop. Okay, I'm gonna try it. You drove it that way, right? We'll still keep it in auto. Put it on neutral. Alright, press the diff lock.
Diff lock.
That's called the diff lock. So it's lighted. Right, so now the rear of the transmission is engaged. Put it on drive, then try the same thing again. But just remember, pagdating sa taas, we're turning right. Okay, go for it. Konting boy lang. Sige lang. Tuloy lang. Bitaw.
Yes!
Solid! Eto ko.
Sarap, di ba?
Opo, first time. Surreal.
Stop. Hill descent control. Let's try it. Press that button.
Yung neutral ko pa hindi na.
Yeah. Hill descent control. Yeah, just press it. You're fine. Go, go.
Sir, auto locks po, sir, yung daddy ni Sir nandito po.
Happy. Tapos ko na itong drive na to. Right? Full right. Full right. Some more. Some more. Some more. Some more. Some more. Sige lang. Bitaw. Sa paa.
Wow, it's doing on its own.
Okay.
Wait po.
Easier than you think, right?
Yes po.
Oh, mataliin na yung kotse ngayon.
Grabe, ano? Ano na siya? Nagmukha akong marunong mag 4x4 sa kanya. Hindi, this is
You go in between the cones?
This is it na. Ayaw na dito, nandito.
Okay, so
Yeah.
put it on neutral. Alright, then we go automatic. Automatic. Yeah, so
Okay.
now put it on, okay, go reverse first. Half a car. Do you know what? There's lang kami konti. Sige, go for it. Konti lang. Half a car left lang. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Perfect. Okay, stop. Alright, then put it on drive. Alright, then do the same thing again. Don't mash it, just relax. Relax, relax.
Solid.
So that's how we should drive on ano lang siya. Feather the throttle.
Oo.
And then it should do the job. Galing, di ba?
Kaya nga, yun o.
Alright, perfect. Okay lang yan, right? So usually when you're on the slope, the tendency is you wanna turn to the left.
Oo.
And we wanna turn, follow the slope. Okay, make a U-turn. We're making a U-turn. So yeah, U-turn. Hold on, stop.
Roll to your left, roll to your right. Now put your oars back down. All right, we have to keep cheering for our brave adventurers. Keep them going up and high and ready to take a jump. Let's all jump out of the boat.
And pulled up the sky when you were wanting yay high the sky. And when the nights got cold, restored you fly from down below.
Favor. 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 Pangin ng favor, okay? And you know, I like to share that from because I've been reflecting on that personally. that, everything that has happened, you may know me as Overland Kings, right? This is Joel from Overland Kings, from our vlog. And that's usually how the tagline goes. But, one important thing in my life is God's favor. God's favor is something that does not equate to riches, but God's favor, it says in Psalms, that if you have God's favor in life, it's better than all the riches in the world that you could find. I don't know about you. Most of the people here have achieved something, right? Masaya sa life. You want to have fun. You want to enjoy each other. And there's nothing wrong with that. But but I think one important thing aside from earning everything in the world, sa lahat ng kikitain natin, is favor from God. May illustration ako. Minsan, favor is a direct impact of the relationship we build with each other. For example, si Jack. Kapag nag-lunch kami ni Jack, tapos nalimutan ko dalhin ang wallet ko. Tapos sinabi ko kay Jack, Jack, can I ask a favor? Tama ba? Babayaran mo ba lunch ko, pre? Siyempre, wow, I'm worth a lunch. But let's change the scenario. Let's say Jack meets someone na kapitbahay niya, hindi na kilala. Tapos, may utang yung kapitbahay niya worth 30 million, let's say. Tapos lumapit siya kay Jack, kumatok siya sa bahay niya. Jack, pwede mo muna bayaran yung 30 million ko. Sa tingin mo, babayaran mo ba? Malamang hindi, di ba? Pag hindi mo kilala. Pag ako, babayaran mo ba? Okay, hindi worth ganun yung relationship namin. Now, what's the point? I think the illustration here is favors are dependent on relationship. The deeper the relationship you have with a person, the bigger the favor you can ask. So sometimes we may ask each other, no? Bakit ang Panginoon hindi ako binibigyan ng favor? Bakit wala pa din nangyayari? Bakit paraging may kulang? Kahit na napakarami ko lang nagawa, kahit napakarami ko lang na-achieve, bakit lagi may kulang? Baka may kulang ang relationship, hindi yung favor. Tama ba? And the story of Ruth reminds me of how to earn favor. Kung in our lives, we're so good at earning. Tama ba? Investing, earning, kumita, racket, budol! Yan! We're known for that. Ang galing natin doon. Pero I've learned that in the story of Ruth, in my life, and I've been reflecting on that. If you look at this person, this is a girl who basically had his husband passed away, and then Ruth stayed with his mother-in-law, and basically that's the story of the Bible. And basically Ruth said he stayed with his mother-in-law and served her, even namatay ang husband niya. That's the gist of the story. I'm not here to expound that. But you can learn a couple of principles from that person on favor. Number one, favor is intended or earned through integrity. Yung pamumuhay natin, yung pag-integrity, yung paggawa natin, are we living in integrity towards God? Sometimes for us, we don't live in integrity. I don't live in integrity. Even in the smallest things, right? If I say, sometimes I forget the birthday of my wife. Yari na naman ako. Or your anniversary, right? Those are little things, but that's integrity, right? And when we stick with integrity, the favor of God usually increases. Pero ano bang favor? If favor does increase, ano yung kabaliktaran ng increase? Decrease. Tama? Decrease. Ang bagay na pwedeng mag-increase, pwede rin mag-decrease. Doon ako kinabahan. Kasi minsan, pag sinabi sa ito, gayahin mo para mag-increase favor, okay, great. Pag hindi ko gawin, ano mangyayari? I'm afraid that God's favor might get out of hand. And I share this from the bottom of my heart. Okay, camp out. Yes, it's a successful for everybody. Agree? Everybody had fun. Yeah. But the what do you call it? The motivation behind what I do is not just for everybody to just have fun. I think it's important that I'm able to share what I have inside. Alam mo, tawag ko dyan, Holy Spirit, yung Lord. Nakakaiyak, di ba? Tigilan mo. Masaya.
Okay, guys. Hindi yan galing sa akin. So, our friends, actually, their Instagram is Isha2. So, sinashin Ish. Kaya Ish. What do you call it? So, they gave us a little gift. So, ang ganda. Guys, thank you.
You're welcome.
Dahil daw nanalo sila sobra sa raffle. Pero, more love to than raffle. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So, pero tiyan mo guys ginawan, pinag-isipan sakto sa awning light plug. Tapos, pwede mo siyang i-wall socket lang. So, we're gonna put this in my toilet. Available now at Overland Kings. Bye.
And ayun nga, grabe, pauwi na kami. Nagkaroon pa ng sitwasyon. Buti na lang, andyan si Boss Kuro-chan to the rescue with his very strong jeepney. Wala sa size yan, nasa performance yan.
Nice! Basic naman. Grabe. Basic kay Kuro, no? Ang lakas pa.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking